outdoor with my friends.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. This
Yes.
is make in 4 to 5 hours.
Make in India. No 4 to 5 hours, only 2 hours or 1.5 hours. We are preparing a tractor. These are the front tires. We have completed the rear tires, rear one. This is the engine and sitting arrangement. Below this is front, this is back. And I'm giving the edges to the tires so that it can run in the muddy land. Let's prepare an arrangement so that back rear tires can hold over here like this. You can see that. See, these both are two tire set, so that we can place it over here like this. I'm placing it, the front tire and the back tire. See, as you can see that this can move very easily over here, right? So this is foldable and very easy to use to place. See, this is how. Hello guys, this is the tractor done by the clay, original clay from my farm, right Jack?
Yes.
Okay, see how this is made. We have created a big holding portion with engine which can hold tires. We just simply place over here it and we can easily move it. So there is a chimney, steering wheel, seat, big tire rear one and small tire front one. Tires are also having their cuts so that they can run very easy. Little guys have supported me for this. This is Jack.
Yes.
This is Neil. This is Pihu and this is Naitik, right?
Right.
These all guys have helped me to prepare this tractor from clay. Jack, what are you preparing? Tell me something about it. I think 2 legs, 2 hands. Are you preparing a person? Are you preparing a person? To sit in the tractor. Wow. Nice.
Bye. I make this tractor man out of my friends. Piyu.
With my friends.
With my friends and their names are Piyu, Naitik, Neil and Jansu. That's my name. Jansu is my name.
Okay.
ના જાનસુ બોલશે પિયો જાનસુ
બોલ
ના તો હું બોલીશ કેમ કે મેં હું એટલે
Making a 4 to 5